This video was recorded in a live range by certified instructors in a controlled environment.
It's by accident.
I'm so tired. It's late night, but just to address a question that I get a lot of times, people always ask me, how do you travel with your firearms and things like that? So I'm up at night and I'm packing, and just wanted to show you the first step. Step one, put the gun locks inside the guns. 2 guns per box. I'm taking 2 magazines. I'm only taking 1 box of ammunition. It have to be in this original factory box. It's in a hard case. You gotta have your lock.
Do I say anything to you?
Just to make sure. Have a few different locks, but make sure you have each gun locked into a box with your gun locks. Also put your magazines in. Again, I'm only taking 4 ammunition in this original factory box. It has to be a hard case. Yeah, it's a Taurus case. I got a bunch of stuff. It's just one of the bigger ones that I have now. I can fit 2 Smith & Wessons in it. And the secret, the flavors on the inside. It has a little lock hole. Make sure I got that thing locked down. And once it's locked down, let me make sure I got the right key. Take the keys together. Put it in. Oh, I gotta make sure that both sides. Close in here good. Close. Right in the bag. Boom. Done. That's the first part, making sure you got your firearm safe inside the box and within FAA rules and regulations. Also, any loose ammunition, they will take it at the desk, so make sure it's in any ammo you have is in an original factory box. 1 box, 2 guns. I'll holler at you in the morning on my way. So here we are. Okay, so here we are at the airport right now. At the additional services. Normally you could just go up to any place to check your bag, but I'm at additional services right now. So I could weigh my bag and also declare that I'm traveling with firearms. Once I get up there, I make sure that I keep you guys posted on the next steps and what to do. Alright, so I had to declare that I have firearms with me. Chicago O'Hare, I'm here at TSA. If you take a look, they're gonna run my guns through this little machine right here, just to make sure everything's locked up or whatever that procedure is. And then they'll give me the thumbs up, the okay, and then we could get on. So we got the okay, the okay. So now I just go in and catch this flight. See if we can make it on time. So as you see, we made it. Now I'm just waiting at the carousel to collect my bags. This specific time, they didn't make me go to a special desk or anything. They just ran it through the carousel. So I'm waiting on my bag so I could get it, and then we actually off. And we We're going straight to the range from here. We have a student today at 4 o'clock, so I'm gonna take a little moment for myself, and then 4 o'clock we're in there throwing lead. All right, see you soon. What's up, you gun havers? I done made it. We at the range. I'm at Pembroke Range, all right? Got a student in here today. I wanted to just come in here and kind of give you a little get down before it's the get down. All right, just want to let you know we made it safely. We here. Our student has called us, told us she on her way. As you see, I'm rocking the Smith & Wesson mask today. Shout out Calvin Bivens. And hey, that's it. Finna get in here and throw some lead. So I'll see you soon.